Welcome to this video on how to use the trim function in Microsoft Excel. So if you're like me and you work with a bit of data and you pull that data in from different systems, sometimes it comes into Excel in a little bit of a jumble. You've got extra spaces, and if you want to use other formulas like VLOOKUPs and you want to pull the data and do tables and pivot charts and things from it, then it's just not going to work very well. So we can tidy this data up really easily by using the trim function. Now the trim function gets rid of extra spaces except for a single space between words. So Sarah Jessica there looks like she's got multiple spaces in between her names. The trim function will just leave me with one space in between Sarah and Jessica. And the easiest way to do that is to go up to the formulas section. And if you click on formulas, and I'm already there on my ribbon at the top, the option that I'm looking for is text. And if I click on text and I scroll down, you'll see the trim option is there. That's going to give me my formula builder on the right hand side. And then what I need to do, what it's asking me is to select my area. So what I'm going to trim. So I'm going to trim A2 down to B5. And then very simply, all I need to do then is click in the formula builder on the right hand side on done. And that's going to recreate that data for me and just tidy it up so that I can now use that data to create tables, to create pivot tables, to pull out, to look up and all sorts of stuff. And it's much, much easier to work with. There's tons of other functions on Microsoft Excel, but this is one that I use quite often if I'm pulling data in and I want to just make sure it's nice and neat and tidy. So give that one a go if you work with data, and please do check out the rest of the videos in this channel.